Montenegros right now, and I just got a Charlie horse.
If I roll an ankle, I'm done.
You don't have to just go more to the side so I can get the pull out of the way. Yes, beautiful. Oh, so cute. Looks good. You're welcome.
Hey Jordan, say hi.
Oh my god.
Charlie horse? Oh no!
Post Charlie horse.
We're in Montenegros right now, and I just got a Charlie horse, and it hurts really bad.
How do you feel right now?
No, my first. You want to say anything, Kaisa?
This was a pretty fun trip. I'm a big fan of this not so warm hot spring.